Dear students, in the previous session we discussed section formula as well as the midpoint formula. So in this session we are going to solve some problems related to the section formula as well as the midpoint formula. So let us consider the first example. In what ratio does the point minus 4, 6 divide the line segment joining the points minus 6, 10 and 3, minus 8? So here the two coordinate points are given. Which are the two coordinate points? Point A and point B. So their coordinates minus 6, 10 and 3, minus 8. So the point P divides the line segment AB in the ratio m::n. So that formula is known as the section formula. So what is the section formula? P of x comma y equal to mx2 plus nx1 divided by m plus n, comma my2 plus ny1 divided by m plus n. So that formula is known as section formula. So here in what ratio? We have to find the ratio or m::n value. So the point minus 4, 6 divides the line segment joining the points minus 6, 10 and 3, minus 8. So let us consider the first coordinate minus 6, 10, that is x1, y1. And the second coordinate point, that is 3, minus 8. So let us consider the second coordinate point x2, y2. And one more coordinate point given. Does the point minus 4, 6, that is P of x comma y. So minus 4, 6 P of x comma y. In what ratio? So we have to find the ratio m::n. So what is the formula? So the section formula P of x comma y equal to mx2 plus nx1 divided by m plus n. So this is the value of the x coordinate. And what about the y coordinate? my2 plus ny1 divided by m plus n. So the second one is the y coordinate. Now substitute the value P of x comma y. So the value of P of x comma y, that is minus 4, 6 equal to mx2 plus nx1. So what is the value of m? We have to find the value of m as well as the n. So therefore m into x2. So x2 value is a 3 plus n into x1. So x1 value minus 6 divided by m plus n, comma my2 plus ny1 by m plus n. So m into y2. So y2 value is minus 8 plus n into y1. So y1 value 10 divided by m plus n. Our aim is to find the value of m::n or the ratio. In what ratio? So next simplify. So minus 4, 6 equal to m into 3. M into 3 means 3m. So look at the sign, plus into minus. So plus into minus, that is minus 6 into n, 6n divided by m plus n. Plus into minus. So plus into minus, minus 8 into m, 8m plus 10n divided by m plus n. So here P of x comma y, here so this is the x coordinate and second one is the y coordinate. So in the right hand side also x coordinate and y coordinate. Now equate with the x coordinate as well as the y coordinate. So we will get the value of the ratio m::n. The first one minus 4 equal to 3m minus 6n divided by m plus n. On simplify, so we get value of the m as well as the n. So here minus 4 divided by 1. Now cross multiply, minus 4 into m plus n equal to 3m minus 6n. So this one is a monomial and next one is a binomial. Now multiply the monomial into the each term of the binomial. Minus 4 into m, that is minus 4m. Minus into plus. So look at the sign, minus into plus, that is minus 4 into n, 4n equal to 3m minus 6n. Related to the algebraic expressions, like terms can be added or the subtracted. So here the minus 4m and 3m are the like terms. Now transpose the like terms to the same side. So minus 4m here plus 3m transpose to the left hand side. So that becomes minus 3m equal to minus 6n, minus 4n becomes plus 4n. So here minus 4m minus 3m minus 7m equal to minus 6n plus 4n minus 2n. So what is the value of m as well as n, or the ratio m is to n? Now m divided by n. So here 2 into n, transpose the term n, so it becomes divided by. So m divided by n equal to minus 2 divided by into minus 7 into m. Now transpose minus 7, so it becomes divided by. So minus 7. So here minus minus cancel. So m divided by n equal to 2 by 7. Or we have to find the value of m is to n. So therefore m is to n equal to 2 is to 7. So this is the required ratio. So in what ratio does the point minus 4 6 divides the line segment joining the points minus 6 10 and 3 minus 8? In what ratio? So the ratio 2 is to 7. Or equate x coordinate with here also x coordinate. One more method. So equate y coordinate minus 8m plus 10n divided by m plus. So we will get the same answer 2 is to 7. So or 6 equal to minus 8m plus 10n divided by m plus n. So here divided by 1, now cross multiply. So 6 into m plus n equal to minus 8m plus 10n. Now multiply 6 into m, 6m plus 6 into n, 6n equal to minus 8m plus 10n. So the like terms 6m minus 8m becomes plus 8m equal to 10n plus 6n becomes minus 6n. So what is answer? 6m plus 8m 14m equal to 10n minus 6n 4n. Now how to find the ratio? So m divided by n equal to 4 divided by 14. 2 2s are 2 7s. So m divided by n equal to 2 by 7, or m is to n equal to 2 is to 7. So this is the required ratio. Look at the second example. Find the ratio in which the y-axis divides the line segment joining the points 5 minus 6 and minus 1 minus 4, and also find the point of intersection. Understand the question clearly. Find the ratio. Find the ratio means m is to n. Find the ratio in which the y-axis divides the line segment. Any point on the y-axis. So what are the coordinates of a point on the y-axis? On the y-axis the coordinates are 0, y. On the x-axis x, 0. But here given which the y-axis divides the line segment. Y-axis means that is in the form of 0, y. So therefore P of x, y, that is 0, y on the y-axis. The coordinates of any point on the y-axis in the form of 0, y. And next two coordinate points are given, x1 and y1. So x1, y1 5 minus 6, and the second coordinate point x2, y2. So that is also given minus 1 minus 4. Next find the ratio. Find the ratio means m is to n. So what is the formula? By using the section formula. So P of x, y equal to mx2 plus nx1 divided by m plus n, comma. So this is the x coordinate, and y coordinate my2 plus ny1 divided by m plus n. Now substitute the values. So P of x, y, find the ratio in which the y-axis divides the line segment. So y-axis in the form of 0, y. So value of P of x, y 0, y. So equal to mx2 plus nx1. So m into x2. So x2 value minus 1 plus n into x1. So x1 value 5 divided by m plus n. my2 plus ny1. So m into y2. So y2 value minus 4 plus n into y1. So y1 value minus 6 divided by m plus n. Now simplify. So which is equal to 0 comma y equal to m into minus 1. Look at the sign. Plus into minus. So plus into minus minus. m into 1 m plus n into 5 n divided by m plus n. m into minus 4 m plus into minus minus 6 into n 6n divided by m plus n. So x comma y in the left hand side in the form of x comma y, right hand side also x comma y. Now equate x value. So first one 0 equal to minus m plus 5n divided by m plus n. So here divided by 1. Now cross multiply. So it becomes 0 into m plus n equal to minus m plus 5n. So any term multiplied by 0, the product is 0. So therefore 0 into m plus n, that is 0 equal to minus m plus 5n. So transpose minus m to the left hand side, it becomes plus m equal to 5n, or the ratio m divided by n equal to 5 divided by 1. So here 1 numerical coefficient is 1, so therefore 5 divided by 1. Find the ratio. So therefore m is to n equal to 5 is to 1. So this is the required ratio. So one more question given. Also find the point of intersection. Any point on the y-axis. So in the form of 0 comma y. So therefore the point of intersection. So equate the second one. So y equal to minus 4m minus 6n divided by m plus n. Now find the value. So is equal to minus 4 into m and n. So here the m value is 5 and n value is 1. Now substitute the value. So minus 4 into 5 minus 6 into n value 1. So divided by m plus n. m plus n means 5 plus 1. So minus 4 into 5 minus 20 minus 6 into 1 minus 6. So divided by 5 plus 1 6, which is equal to minus 20 minus 6 minus 26 divided by 6. 2 3s are 2 13s are. So therefore y equal to, so y value minus 13 divided by 3. So this is the value of y. So but the question, find the point of intersection. So therefore point of intersection, therefore the point of intersection equal to, so in the form of 0 comma y. So here 0 comma, so y value minus 13 by 3. So this is the point of intersection. So point of intersection 0 comma minus 13 divided by 3. Next we pass on to the next example. Find the ratio in which the line segment joining 1 minus 5 and minus 4 5 is divided by the x-axis. Also find the coordinates of the point of division. Understand the question clearly. Find the ratio. Find the ratio means find m is to n. Find the ratio in which the line segment joining two coordinate points are given. Which are the two coordinate points? 1 minus 5 and minus 4 5 is divided by the x-axis. Any points on the x-axis. The coordinates of any point on the x-axis is of the form x comma 0. Coordinates of any point on the y-axis is of the form 0 comma y. But here given on the x-axis. On the x-axis means is of the form x comma 0. Now find the ratio. Next, also find the coordinates of the point of division. So let us consider the first coordinate point 1 comma minus 5, that is x1 y1, and the second coordinate point minus 4 comma 5, that is x2 and y2. So is divided by the x-axis. On the x-axis is of the form x comma 0. Coordinates of any point on the x-axis x comma 0, that is p of x comma y. We have to find the ratio m is to n by using the section formula. So section formula, p of x comma y equal to mx2 plus nx1 divided by m plus n, comma my2 plus ny1 divided by m plus n. Now substitute the values. So p of x comma y is x comma 0 equal to mx2 m into, so here x2 value is minus 4 plus n into x1, so x1 value is 1, so divided by m plus n, comma my2 m into y2, so y2 value 5 plus n into y1 value minus 5 divided by m plus n. Now simplify. X comma 0 equal to m into minus 4 minus 4m plus n into 1 n divided by m plus n, comma m into 5m plus into minus minus 5 into n 5n divided by m plus n. So this is the value of the x coordinate, and next one is a y coordinate. We have to find the ratio. So by equating the value of the y coordinate, so we will get the value of m is to n. So y coordinate value 0, so here 5m minus 5n divided by m plus n. Now transpose to the left hand side, 0 into m plus n equal to 5m minus 5n. So any term is multiplied by 0, the product is 0. So therefore 0 into m plus n, 0 equal to 5m minus 5n. Transpose minus 5n to the left hand side, so that is plus 5n equal to 5m. Or how to find the ratio? M divided by n equal to 5 divided by 5. 5 ones are 5 ones are. So m by n equal to 1 by 1. So what is the ratio? Therefore m is to n equal to 1 is to 1. So this is the ratio. What is the first question given? Find the ratio in which the two coordinate points is divided by the x-axis. So what is the ratio? Ratio is 1 is to 1. What is the next question? Also find the coordinates of the point of division. So we have to find the value of the x. Now go equate x coordinate value. So x equal to minus 4m plus n divided by m plus n equal to minus 4 into m value. So here m value is 1 plus n value 1 divided by m plus n 1 plus 1 equal to minus 4 into 1 minus 4 plus 1 divided by 1 plus 1 2. So equal to, so this is the value of x, minus 4 plus 1 minus 3 divided by 2. So what is the question given? Find the coordinates of the point of division. So therefore the coordinates of the point of division, the point of division on the x-axis is of the form x comma 0. So what is the value of x? X is minus 3 by 2 comma 0. So this is the point of division. Value of the point of division is minus 3 by 2 comma 0. So I think it is clear. See the next question. So this is the exercise problem. Find the coordinates of a point A where AB is the diameter of a circle whose center is 2 minus 3 and B is 1, 4. Find the coordinates of a point A. So AB is the diameter. So as well as center of the circle is also given. And one point, that is the B, coordinates of the point B is also given. We have to find the coordinates of the point A. Find the coordinates of a point A where AB is the diameter. So AB is the diameter, O is the center of the circle. The coordinates of the circle whose center is 2 minus 3. So this is 2 minus 3 and B is 1, 4. The coordinates of the point B is 1, 4. Find the coordinates of a point A. How to find the coordinates of the point A? Just think over it. So O is the center of the circle, AB is the diameter. You know that with respect to circle, OA and OB are the radius. OA and OB are the radius. But OA equal to OB. Radius the same. Radius equal. OA equal to OB. Or O is the midpoint of AB. AB is the diameter. So O is the midpoint of AB. So how to find the coordinates of the point A? By using the midpoint formula. So A coordinate point A, that is x1, y1. Let the coordinates of the point A is x1, y1. We have to find x1 and y1. So coordinates of the point B, x2, y2. That is given 1, 4. And O, or the center of the circle, is a 2 minus 3. That is P of x comma y is 2 minus 3. So find the coordinates of the point A by using the midpoint formula. So what is the midpoint formula? So midpoint formula, P of x comma y equal to x2 plus x1 divided by 2 comma y2 plus y1 divided by 2. Now substitute the values. P of x comma y. P of x comma y is 2 minus 3. 2 minus 3. So x2 plus x1. So value of x2. x2 is 1 plus x1. We have to find the value of x1 divided by 2 comma y2 plus y1. y2 4 plus y1 divided by 2. So this is the x coordinate value 2. Now equate with the x coordinate as well as the y coordinate. So 2 equal to 1 plus x1 divided by 2, comma minus 3 equal to 4 plus y1 divided by 2. So 2 divided by 2. So it becomes multiply. So 2 by 2 into 2 equal to 1 plus x1. 2 into 2, 4 equal to 1 plus x1. Transpose 1 to the left hand side. 4 minus 1 equal to x1. So therefore x1 equal to 4 minus 1 is 3. So this is the value of x1. So here transpose divided by 2, minus 3 into 2 equal to 4 plus y1. Minus 3 into 2, minus 6 equal to 4 plus y1. Now transpose plus 4 to the left hand side. Minus 6 minus 4 equal to y1. So therefore y1 equal to minus 6 minus 4. Minus 6 minus 4 is minus 10. So this is the value of y1. What is the question given? Find the coordinates of a point A. So therefore the coordinates of a point A equal to, so that is x1, y1. So what is the value of x1? x1 is 3 and y1 is minus 10. So this is the value of the coordinates of the point A. I think it is clear. Okay. So I'll end up today's class. So we'll continue in the next class. Thank you one and all.